Set in the popular Tuscany Court Garden Resort, this newly renovated 3-bedroom apartment features superior quality, relaxed lifestyle and spectacular water vistas to the city skyline and Harbour Bridge. This park-like complex is set amongst manicured grounds with rolling lawns with picnic areas, 2 tennis courts and a recreation centre with indoor pool, 2 spas, well-equipped gym, sauna and community room. There are 7 low-rise apartment buildings and plenty of visitor parking. Apartment 21 is set on the top floor. This apartment really has the wow factor. Renovated to the highest quality detail, the expansive living room features timber floors, dam lights and beautiful patio doors which open onto spectacular vistas onto an east-facing balcony. It's the perfect spot to relax and watch the ever-changing waterscape, entertain friends and enjoy the world-class fireworks on New Year's Eve. The separate kitchen features stone bench tops and merely stainless steel appliances with plenty of storage space. All 3 double bedrooms have brand new carpet, built-ins and block-out blinds. The master bedroom with a fully tiled ensuite with bath and separate shower. The main bathroom has been newly renovated with designer style, and the apartment also has a large internal laundry. This Skyline Entertainer is exceptionally private and quiet, with just 2 apartments per floor. Security video phone entry provides peace of mind, while ducted air conditioning plus gas bayonet heating and ceiling fans ensure year-round comfort. Pet-friendly, family-friendly and a water view haven. Take a step up in lifestyle and views in this quiet yet ultra-convenient location. For further information, please contact Roger McHale Property.